Today in this video we will see what to do if the receiving is off for AirPlay on iPhone or iPad. If I open the control center and if I tap on this group icon here, you can see AirDrop receiving is off. So what you need to do here is you need to go to settings here. You need to go to screen time. Go to this option content and privacy restrictions. Go to this option allowed apps. Enter the screen time passcode. And if you see here AirDrop option is disabled. So you have to enable this option. Then again open the control center. And if I tap on this group icon here, now you can see AirDrop is enabled. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.